RapidStudio offers a wide range of wedding album options for every client and budget. From our luxurious Ultimate range, designed to be a family heirloom and featuring a wide variety of sizes, fabrics, and finishes, from genuine leather hide to romantic linen covers, to a hardcover range with a twist, where you can begin with our base hardcover printed album and level it up with a textile cover upgrade and lay flat premium option paper, delivering a refined finish on even the tightest budget. And perfect for those wanting a beautiful keepsake for a modest price is our printed hardcover range, available in a variety of pre-designed wedding themes or crisp minimalism where your photos speak for themselves in our recommended layout. Let's look at each of these in a little more detail. Ultimate range covers a luxury in every way, available in a wide variety of leathers, from genuine hide to animal-friendly vegan leather, to the timelessness of linen and canvas in a variety of colours. You'll be spoiled for choice in the assortment of ways you can finish your cover with full fabric or leather cover, mixed, or our favourite, working a photograph into the cover in a variety of styles such as mural, monoblock, fringe, and vista. Cover photos are finished with a special process called wheat lamination that fortifies the image and readies it for handling and years of admiration, while adding a stunning grain that captures the light perfectly. Ultimate album pages are crafted using gold standard wet lab printing on real photo paper, developed with the silver halide process. Instead of ink, light creates images with unmatched sharpness, rich colour, and a luxurious matte luster finish you can see and feel. Our masterfully crafted butterfly binding creates seamless double-page spreads, no interruption caused by a spine in the middle of the page, giving you total freedom to design across the fold like a true canvas. Choose from 2-page mounting options, lugs thick 1mm pages, or flex with the lighter 0.5mm mounting, perfect for books with more pages. Add a touch of distinction by embossing a unique motif on your leather cover. It's a stylish way to personalize and give your album a refined, high-end look. Complete the look with your business logo embossed on the back for a professional touch that leaves a lasting impression. If you're working with a more modest budget but still want an elevated look, consider upgrading our basic hardcover with a cover from the Ultimate range and lay flat paper. It's the perfect mid-range option, elegant, lasting, and cost-conscious. Lay flat pages are hinged at the spine, allowing photos to flow seamlessly across the spread, whereas silk paper follows more conventional bookmaking methods with a small gutter in the middle of the page. The difference is best demonstrated here, showing two identical pages, one made with lay flat paper, the other on silk. Our third wedding album option is budget-friendly but bursting in beauty. Pictured here is one of our themed album designs. And here's our recommended theme where your pictures need no help to pop. These are also available in lay flat or silk pages. Every couple deserves a wedding album to relive and share their special day. Whatever your style or budget, there's something for everyone at RapidStudio. To get started with any of these 3 album types, jump on the calculator page for either our Ultimate or our hardcover photo books. The calculator page will give you all the various sizes and finishing options you can choose from, including material type, colour, embossing, etc. To upgrade a hardcover printed photo book with an Ultimate album cover, jump on the hardcover calculator and you'll see all your size and finishing options. Here's where you upgrade your cover, and here's where you upgrade your paper from silk to lay flat. Pricing is clear and transparent. As you select the different options, you'll see the price update in the sticky bar along the bottom. If you need any help with your project, please don't hesitate to contact us.